Have you ever wondered how you were born? Did the stalk leave you at your parents' doorstep, or did your mother sit over an egg that hatched to reveal your cute face? No, none of that. Humans, you and I, your mother and father, have reproductive systems that function to produce offspring or to reproduce. Humans are unisexual. They could be female or male, and they reproduce sexually. This means male and female gametes fuse to form a fetus or offspring like you. Humans are also viviparous, meaning that we give birth to live offspring, not eggs that need to be hatched. Now let's look at the female reproductive system in humans. The female reproductive system is made up of ovaries, oviducts or fallopian tubes, a uterus, cervix, vagina, and vulva. The two ovaries sit in the abdominal cavity. They are the organs that produce the female gamete, the ovum, plural ova. One ovary produces an ovum approximately every 28 days. They do this in turns, so right ovary, right ovary, so on. The ova mature within structures in the ovary called follicles. The most mature follicle then bursts to release an ovum. This follicle is called the Graafian follicle. This process whereby the ovary releases an ovum approximately every month is called ovulation. The ovaries also produce hormones. These are chemicals that control certain processes in the body. The Graafian follicle produces estrogen, a hormone necessary for the process of reproduction. The ovum produced moves into the fallopian tube or the oviduct. This fallopian tube is a funnel-shaped passageway that allows the ovum travel into the uterus. The male gamete usually meets the ovum here when fertilization happens. The uterus or womb is shaped like a pear, an upside-down pear. It is muscular and has a cavity. It carries the fallopian tubes on its sides and opens into the cervix, then the vagina. When fertilization occurs, the fetus moves into this chamber and grows here. Cervix is a Latin word which means neck. The cervix is the muscular neck of the womb, its narrowest part. It is the part of the uterus that joins the vagina, and it opens to allow childbirth. The vagina is a muscular, hollow organ. It has a canal like a tube. It is also called the birth canal because during childbirth, the child passes through this canal. The penis, a part of the male reproductive system, fits into the vagina during mating and deposits sperm in it. The vulva is the external female sex organ. It includes the labia majora, the labia minora, and the clitoris. The internal female reproductive system that we just saw opens into this part. Although the urethral opening or meatus is not part of the reproductive system, it can be found here as well. This meatus is where urine is passed out from. The labia majora and minora are skin folds that enclose the external female reproductive parts. The clitoris is a small protrusion or swelling which becomes stiff when stimulated or touched. It is the equivalent of the penis present in the male reproductive system. The female reproductive system is a little complicated. At least, we now know it does not involve any stalks. Remember, its parts are the ovaries, the fallopian tubes, uterus, cervix, vagina, and the vulva that is made up of the labia majora, labia minora, and the clitoris. Bye, guys.